Good morning, guys. We're just getting into one of our spots. Today's actually Monday, January 16th, Martin Luther King Day. I'm fortunate enough to have today off as a holiday, which is nice because we wanted to hunt all weekend, but we actually couldn't because Ember has been having problems with one of her wrists again from an injury when she was a puppy. So we just have to be careful and manage that as best as we can. So she's been doing pretty good. So we'll keep an eye on it today, see how she does. I ordered this emergency little pack-out harness just in case I need to carry her back. Because last weekend on Sunday, kind of had to just limp our way back. But yeah, so obviously there's only a couple weekends left. We want to take advantage of it as much as we can. We're actually going to be heading up there on the left. This is why we've had great success here. There's absolutely no one out because it is a weekday, so that'll be nice. But yeah, and then depending on how she's feeling, how I'm feeling, we might come over here. And kind of were up there last weekend, checked it out, and it actually ended up pretty good. So it's going to be warmer today, get up into the low 40s, it's currently 34 degrees. It's nice because the ground is drying up, so we should have good traction. And yeah, it's always nice to come out with your dog, get your dog on some birds, get yourself some exercise. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. There's a little breeze today. Shouldn't be too much. Okay. Good girl. It is a quiet, peaceful morning. Well, looks like we just bumped up first group of birds. They went that way, so we'll be heading up there and maybe we can go down and find them. Good girl, Ember. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, that's a bummer. Literally walked up on some huns right here. Totally caught both of us off guard. Gonna get my shotgun mounted properly, kind of was shooting from the hip. But yeah, we weren't ready for that, were we, girl? Good girl. Okay, let's go. Go find them. Oh, that's a bummer. We haven't been seeing a lot of birds today. I'm not sure if it's all pressured out from the weekend or Weather patterns changing, but oh well. Always good to get out. Good girl, come on. Looks like we'll be heading to the vet. She's doing pretty good otherwise. She's had a really hard point right here. Must be leftover. Where is it, baby girl? Can you smell something? Huh. Yeah, looks like a little spot there. Some droppings.